Hi, everybody. I know you didn't see me a whole lot of stuff, but we're going to work on stuff today. I want to have a little fun with today's assignment because these are a couple of my favorite worksheets I want to do, and they'll really, really help you prepare for the test and to prepare for your quiz for next week. So I need you to find these four worksheets: periodic table relationships, the who am I, the element maze, and then the back of it will be this little like matching section stuff here. All right. So the first one it's periodic table relationships, and I'm trying to bore you with this video, but I'm going to walk you through the first couple and just make sure you're okay. All you got to do is you got to cross off the one in the family that does not belong. Okay, the one that does not belong. So in your first example, you have vertical column, group, period, or family. Okay, vertical column, group, period, or family. Now, for each of these, three of them go together and one of them does not. So if you remember that groups and periods are up and down, all right, or sorry, groups and families are up and down, and vertical means up and down, then group and family and vertical column all go together. And so you would simply cross off the word period because period goes horizontal. Okay, days of the week, phases of the moon, months of the year, grades in school. Okay, grade in the school should be the one you cross off because days of the week, phase of the moon, months of the year, those are always going to happen the same way. Now we hope you get lots of A's, but that's not how it works. Sodium, alkali metal, two valence electrons, and family 1A should be two valence electrons and one you cross off because sodium is in the first family. That's family 1A. They're the alkali metals, but they only have one valence electron. So finish the rest of those. Just pick the one that doesn't work. Okay. Now, this is what your quiz is going to be like a little bit. I made a quiz a little bit easier than this worksheet because I'm not there to help you like I am with this. But here, I want you to do, I want you to read the clues. The area is going to be your family. Tell me what family you think you're in, and then tell me what element you are in that family. Okay. So I have a very good ability to conduct electricity. Means I'm a metal. You're going to use these clues to try to figure out what these things are. So I'm somewhere on the left-hand side. I'm never found alone in nature. Not some of this stuff may not mean a whole lot to you. When I combine in with my other elements, I am usually given my one valence electron. So I'm going to find the first family. First family is the alkali metals. So I'm one of the metals in the alkali metals. Okay. That's going to be my area. All right. So I'm going to put in alkali metals. Okay. Alkali metals. Okay. I am the only element in that group with a one letter symbol. So if I look on my periodic table and I find the alkali metals, now remember, hydrogen does not belong there. There's the only one with one letter symbol. So I put potassium. Okay. I do not conduct electricity, means I'm a non-metal. Usually found in a gaseous state, may not mean anything to you. Do not bond well with other elements. Remember, noble gases don't bond with other things. They don't like them. Okay. I can be found in some bulb using signs. So I'm going to find a noble gas, all right, that has something with signs, neon signs, and put any. And that's all you got to do. Try to figure out what they are. Again, just do your best. Wanting perfection, all this kind of stuff. Okay. Now, the element maze. I want you to don't do the maze. I want you to answer true or false for all of them. Okay. So iodine is a halogen. That's true. Put a big T in it. Calcium is an alkali metal. That's false because it's an alkaline earth metal. So put an F. Copper is a red metal. That's true. All right. Metals conduct heat. That's true. You just go through this and answer true or false for all of them. Plain, simple, pretty easy to do. Okay. Don't worry about trying to find the maze. I just want you to answer true or false for all of these things. Okay. And the last one is one of my favorite ones, but don't shoot me. I didn't write the thing for this. All of your answers are right here. Okay. It's just getting you use some of these elements and things like that. All right. So half a dime. Well, half a dime is nickel. All right. Nickel is the element Ni, and so you put Ni up in here. Lone Ranger's horse. Now you may have to ask your parents about this. But Lone Ranger's horse is silver. All right. So silver is Ag. All right. What to do with the dead? I know this is terrible, and I'm sorry, but you bury them. It's a play on words. You got to figure it out. Barium, Ba. And so Ba goes in this. Okay. What do you do in the Chinese laundry? I don't know why it's a Chinese laundry, but after you do laundry, you're supposed to iron it. And so that's Fe. So these are all little plays on words. All right. Trying to get understand this. Do not do this part at all. Let's put a big X through this. All right. So I get a better copy here. Big X through this. Don't do this part at all. Just do this. And this is going to be your homework. I wanted to go through this with you. This is a great review for you of everything we talked about in the periodic table. Take pictures of these four things, submit to me, throw them in there, and then we'll revise stuff. You have a quiz over the Who Am I page next time we have this in class. Try to give you some easier ones to try to help you out just to identify some stuff. Okay? Have a great day, everybody.